Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be show you how to fix TikTok loading problem, TikTok not internet connection problem. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, first of all what you have to do is just come back and open your mobile Play Store or App Store. So guys, you can see here guys, open your mobile Play Store or App Store, Android phone App Store. Open here, and after that you have to search the TikTok. I search here. So guys, simply search the TikTok, and if you have not updated the TikTok app, then first you have to update it. So guys, simply click the update. So guys, I click here, click the update. So guys, update complete. So guys, until TikTok app has been updated, so guys, after that you have to come back and open your mobile settings. Guys, you know that I give credit with video quality, so please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon also. Guys, after that you have to click the app management and click the app list. So guys, I click here, simply click the app list. This page is loading now. So guys, search the TikTok. So guys, simply search the TikTok. So guys, I search here TikTok. You can see here guys, click the TikTok, and after that you have to click the force stop and again click the force stop. After that you have to click the storage and click the clear cache, not click the clear data, only on click the clear cache, and after that you have to come back. So guys, click the permission, check your permission is enabled or not enabled. So guys, click the permission. So guys, my all permission is enabled. So guys, I'm come back and close all files. So guys, open TikTok app and check your problem is fixed or not. So guys, open your TikTok app. So guys, this problem has been fixed. Please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon all, never miss an update. Thanks for watching guys, bye bye.